Hello, Python enthusiasts! Welcome to today's tutorial, where we will dive into the world of variables in Python. Understanding variables is fundamental to any programming language, and Python makes it both powerful and simple. Variables act as containers for storing data values. They play a crucial role in making our programs dynamic and responsive. In Python, a variable is like a named storage location that can hold different types of data. Think of it as a label for a piece of data. To create a variable, we use a simple assignment statement. For example, name equals Python. Here, name is the variable, and Python is the data it holds. When naming variables, it's essential to follow some rules and conventions. Variables must start with a letter or an underscore, and they are case-sensitive. Descriptive names make your code more readable. For instance, instead of X, consider using user_age. It's all about making your code easy to understand. Python is dynamically typed, meaning you don't have to declare the data type of a variable explicitly. Python infers it for you. This flexibility allows a variable to hold different types of data during the execution of a program. Variables enable us to perform various operations. You can update their values, perform arithmetic, concatenate strings, and more. For example, you can increment a variable like this, counter plus equals 1, or concatenate strings like greeting equals hello plus world. Understanding the scope of variables is crucial. A variable's scope determines where it can be accessed or modified in your code. Variables can have local scope, limited to a specific function or block, or global scope, accessible throughout the entire program. Before we conclude, here are some best practices when working with variables in Python. 1. Descriptive names. Use meaningful names for your variables. 2. Avoid magic numbers. Instead of hard-coding numbers, assign them to variables with meaningful names. 3. Consistency. Follow a consistent naming and style convention in your code. Congratulations! You now have a solid understanding of variables in Python. Practice, experiment, and don't forget to have fun while coding. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe Coder Squad. Happy coding!